Good evening, everyone. In the last class, we understood how to create a string object and what is happening internally when we create the string object, what is string constant pool, and what is the purpose of string constant pool. Right. What is a string and what is the purpose of string? String is a predefined Java class available in java.lang package. String we can use as a data type and we can use that as a class also. In the Java, every class can be used as a data type, right? String is used to store group of characters. String name is equal to some ABC. String is mutable or immutable. String is immutable. What is the meaning of immutable? Cannot be modified. How many ways we can create the string? String can be created in two ways: approach 1 and approach 2. Approach 1 and approach 2. String constant pool. String constant pool, that is a special memory which is given for string objects. String objects are immutable. When you create string as a literal, that string object will be stored in the string constant pool. Right. S1 is equal to high, S2 is equal to high. S1 and S2 objects are having same content, hence only one object will be created and two variables will be pointed to same object. Class string demo. Public static void main string array. This is a array which we are passing as a parameter for main method. S1, S2. S1, S2 variables will be pointing to same object because content is same. When I compare S1 double equal to S2, is it comparing address? Is it comparing content of the string? It is comparing address. Okay. I'm going to create strings like this. S1 and S2. How many objects will be created? If I execute these two lines of code, 3 objects will be created. Hello will be created in the SCP. S1 will be created in the heap area. S2 also will be created in the heap area. S1 and S2 pointing to heap memory objects. Heap memory objects. Now both are same or different? Different, because address will be different. Okay. When you go for strings, double equals will compare address of the objects, whereas dot equals method will compare content of the strings. We have experimented some methods in the string class. What are the methods we have seen? Caret. What is the purpose of a caret method? Caret method is used to get the character based on the index. To get a character based on the given index, we are going for caret method. What is the purpose of length method? Length method is used to get the size of the string. Number of characters available in the string we can get by using length method. What is the purpose of concat method? Concat method is used to join two strings. What is the purpose of equals? Equals is used to compare content of two strings. All right. To replace method available. What is the purpose of replace? To replace one character with another character, we are using replace. To uppercase to lowercase. Convert the string from uppercase to lowercase or lowercase to uppercase. We can do by using these two methods. What is the purpose of index of? Index of is used to get the first occurrence of a character. What is the purpose of last index of? To get the last occurrence of a character, we will use last index of. Suppose when I go for index of or last index of, if the given character not available in the string, it is going to return -1. What is the purpose of substring method? What is the purpose of substring method? Substring is used to get some part of the string, it will take start index and end index. Start index is inclusive, end index is exclusive. Fine. Here, is it mandatory to give the end index? Is it mandatory to give the end index? No. Yes, sir. Yes or no? Giving the end index is optional. Give the end index is optional. If I give the start index, from start to till end it is going to take. What is the purpose of a split method? Split is used to split the string based on the delimiter. Our delimiter is a separator. String S2. I'm giving a string like this. I'm going to do split method. When I split it, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 strings will be created. All right. Fine, guys. Next one. Here, there is a method called value of. There is a method called value of. The purpose of value of is to convert any data type into string type. Data type, I have a data type int that should be converted to string. For that we will go for value of. It is used to convert any type value into string type. Any type value into string type. For example, I'm taking integer a is equal to 10 and I'm taking integer b is equal to 20. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. If I do a plus b, what is the output? What is the output? 30. Why? Because a is a int variable, b is also int variable. When I do a plus b, it means I am performing sum of the two numbers. It will become 30. It will become 30. For example, I'm going to take string s1 is equal to 10. String s1 is equal to 10. And I'm going to take string s2 is equal to 20. String s2 is equal to 20. If I perform s1 plus s2, it will be, if I perform s1 plus s2, it will become 1020. Why? Here plus is performing arithmetic operation. Here plus is performing concatenation operation. Why it is performing concatenation here? Why it is performing concatenation here? Because it is string variable, so it is going to concatenate two strings. Concatenate it to strings. Suppose I'm going to take value of. I'm going to take value of, that is string dot value of a plus string dot value of b. What is the output now? A is what? 10. B is what? 20. What I am trying to do? A plus B. What is the output? 1020. The output will be 1020. Sir, why output will be 1020? Why 1020? Actually, A is a variable which is belongs to into type. A is a variable which is belongs to into type. B is also a variable which is belongs to into type. If I do A plus B, then it will become 30. A is a integer, B is also a integer. It will perform sum of two numbers, then we are getting 30 as a output. But here, am I directly performing the sum of A, B, or I am performing string dot value of A? String dot value of A. What is the purpose of value of method? It is used to convert any type value into string type. That means string dot value of A, that means it will become 10 like this. A is a int value. Into value I am converting into string type. How I am converting into value to string type? By using value of 10 plus string dot value of b. What it will become? It will become 20. 10 plus 20, that is equal to 10, 20. Understand? What is the purpose of value of method? Value of method is used to convert any type of value into string type of value. Any type of value we can convert into string type of value. Perfect. Now guys, in the string class there are so many methods are available. There is a method called starts with. There is a method called starts with. There is a method called ends with. What is the purpose of starts with method and ends with method? What is the purpose of starts with method and ends with method? What is the meaning of this method? Meaning of this method. Starts with method is used to check string data is starting with the given data or not. Now it is used to check. It is used to check given string is starting with a particular character or not. Particular char or not. Suppose I am giving string str is equal to some Ashok IT. Okay. Here I am going to write str dot starts with a or not. Starts with a or not. What is the output now? True. Yes, it is starting with a. Suppose if I give str dot starts with some z. Starts with some z or not. Ashok IT first character is z or a. It is a. So this method will return what? False. So what is the return type of starts with method? Boolean. If this string str is a variable which is holding this string. str is a variable which is holding this string. str dot starts with a. If this string is starting with a character, that means it is true. Suppose str dot starts with of z. Is str starting with z? No. Then it means it will become false value. True or false. All right. Similarly, we are having a method called ends with method. What is the purpose of ends with method? Ends with method, it is used to check given string is ending with a particular string char. Multiple also you can give. If I give starts with Ashok, can I give like this? You can give either one character or you can give more than one character also. Ends with. Now I'm going to take string str is equal to the name and I'm going to write str dot ends with. I'm going to write str dot ends with it. What is that? str dot ends with it. So Ashok IT ending with it. Yes or no? So this is going to return true. Now I am going to write str dot ends with some good. str value holding Ashok IT. Is it ending with good? No. That means it is giving false value. So if you want to check the string is starting with a particular character or not, then you need to go for starts with method. If you want to check the string is ending with particular string or not, then you can go for ends method. Now there is a method called trim method is available. There is a method called trim method. It is used to remove starting spaces and ending spaces of the string. To remove starting spaces and ending spaces of the string, we will go for trim method. It is used to remove starting and ending spaces of string. For example, I'm giving string str is equal to hello. String str is equal to hello. Before hello, after hello, there are some spaces are available. I want to remove those spaces. How can I do that? Str dot trim. Str dot trim. Then it is going to remove the starting spaces and ending spaces. Sir, there are some spaces in the middle also. Is there any method available? No. There is no method available to remove the spaces which are in the middle of the characters. Starting spaces and ending spaces can be removed by using trim method. Let's try this. Let's work on this string demo. Okay. I'm commenting all this. You know what is the meaning of comment? What is the meaning of comment? What is the meaning of comment? Compiler will ignore that code. Compiler is going to ignore that code. Now I'm taking string str is equal to Ashok IT. Str is equal to Ashok IT. Here I'm writing system dot out dot println str dot starts with a. Str dot starts with a, and I'm writing system dot out dot println str dot ends with it. Ends with it. Okay, and let me try to execute these things. Starts with and ends with. What is the output we should get? Here output will be true. Why? Starting with a. Here true, because it is ending with it. Let's try this. Guys, here you may get a doubt. Sir, these many methods we are learning, kahan use karte? Where we are going to use all these methods? We are learning so many methods now. Where we will use them? Now, are we learning project or we are learning fundamentals of the language? We are just kids now. We are kids now. We are just learning fundamentals. We are just learning fundamentals. If we go for the project now, in the project, all these methods we are going to use. Sir, then why don't you teach the project for us? समझ में नहीं आएगा. Sorry? कल से नहीं आएंगे. Whatever, guys, we are not learning anything for time pass. In front, there is a crocodile festival. So whatever we are learning now, everything, each unnecessary topics I am not going to teach because I don't have that much free time. So whatever is really useful. Now, can you see in the project, what is this? If condition, what I am using there? Equals. What that means? What I am doing? What I am doing? I am comparing. That means I am comparing one string with the another string. If a condition satisfied, I am executing some logic. If condition not satisfied, I am not doing anything. Okay, so can I say this is a control statement? Only control statement available. Strings also available. Strings also available. What is this? New operator. What is the meaning of that? I'm creating a object. So whatever we are learning, all those things are available in the project or not. Can you tell me what is this? URL तो वो तो पता है भाई. String. What is that? It is a string. It is in the double quotes or not? Yes. So that is a string. What is this variable name? Variable endpoint URL. What is the data type of the variable? String. That means I'm creating a string variable. In my project, I'm creating a string variable. Can you tell me what I have done here? I have done commented. So is it a single line comment or is it a multi-line comment? Multi-line comment. Why I commented? I don't want to execute that code. Actually, here, actual thing is, the actual code is, it is a web service call. That means one project is going to communicate with the another project. That is a high level programming. In the real time project, you are sending amount from Google Pay. Your account is a SBI account. My account is a Axis Bank account. You sending money from SBI account to Axis Bank account. That means SBI is one project, Axis Bank is one project. One project is communicating with another project. One project will communicate with another project by using web service. That is web service logic. Can we understand that now? That is the last part in the Java course. So as part of that programming, we are using strings, we are using control statements, we are using operators, we are going to use loops, lot of things will be available. We are not learning project now. We are learning basics. So you may have n number of doubt. Sir, equals method is there, caret method is available, and replace method available, substring method available, split method available, value of method available. कहाँ use करते? हाँ, project में use करते थोड़ा time लगेगा. Now you don't worry about the project. मैं हूँ ना, I will take care of it. No problem. First, you need to become strong in the fundamentals. Language. You are learning a language. You are not learning any project now. You are learning a language. Once you are strong in the language, then you can develop any kind of project. Clear with my point? Now, don't think about that. Array, why I need to learn all these things, Ra? Where I am going to use it, Ra? I don't know. So don't worry about it. First, what is the method? How to use it? What is the output? That only you have to learn now. After 2 to 3 months of time, once we enter into advanced Java, then we will start building the projects. Then at that time, every day I will scold you. Why? To develop a project, fundamentals are required. 3 months hota na, aap bhul jate. At that time I will ask you, I want to compare two strings. Then kya method hai? You will forget that. So if you don't want to get into that situation, now you have to do the work. You have to practice more now. See, here I am using a string variable. I am using a comment. What is this? Single line comment. What is this? If statement. Inside the if statement, I am using string. That string equals method also I am using. What is this? Return. That is a keyword. The return is a keyword. Here, what is this? What is this? String only. What is this? Condition or not. Which operator I am using? Greater than, relational operator. Can you tell me what is this? Concatenation. I'm using plus. This is a string, na? This is a string. String plus anything will become string only. String plus anything will become string only. So whatever the basics we are learning, all those things are there in the project. Without having strong knowledge on the basics, can you develop a project? Impossible. First, your basics should be clear. Then only you can write the code. Are you guys getting my point? Right. So we are trying to write one program. String str is equal to Ashok IT. System.out.println. Str dot starts with A. Str dot ends with IT. Okay. Let's compile Java C string demo dot Java. Java C string demo dot Java. Java space string demo. True, true, because both conditions are satisfied. For example, I am writing one line like this. System.out.println str dot ends with ITT. Okay. What is the output now? True, true, false. All right. Java C Java C string demo dot Java. Java space string demo. True, true. False is available. Perfect. Now let me comment it. Let me comment it. Here I'm taking string S1 is equal to 10. String S2 is equal to 20. String S2 is equal to 20. Right. Now I am going to write system.out.println of system.out.println of S1 plus S2. What is the output? 10, 20. 10, 20. Why 10, 20? Why not 30? Plus operator I'm using. When you use the plus with the number data types, it will become sum. When you use plus with the string, it will become concatenation. Either you can go for plus or you can go for concat method. You can go for plus or you can go for concat method. Perfect. Now let's try to execute it. Java C string demo dot Java. Then Java space string demo. Are we getting output as 1020? Why the remaining lines of code is not executing? Every line is commented. Commented line will be skipped from the compilation as well as from the execution. String S1 is equal to 10, S2 is equal to 20, S1 plus S2, it will become 10, 20. All right, let me comment this also. Now, let's go here. I'm writing integer A is equal to 10, integer B is equal to 20. I want output as a 10, 20. A is a variable holding value as a 10. B is a variable holding the value as a 20. I want to get the output as a 30. If I want to get the output as 30, what I will get now? If A plus B, if I do, I will get it as a 30. But that is not my requirement. My requirement is 10, 20, or a काम करो. 20, 22. I want to get the output as 2022. Now, what is the data type of A and B? A is an integer, B is an integer. If I do A plus B, it will become 42. But output I want 2022. 2022. Yes, what I need to do? I need to convert these variables into string type. What is the current data type of the variable? The current data type of the variable is integer. If I add two integers, it will become sum. I don't want to add the variables. I want to concat the variables. If I want to concat, first those variables should be converted to string type. First those variables should be converted to string type. How can I convert the variables to string type? How can I convert the variables to string type? Value of. How can I do that? String dot value of A plus string dot value of B. String dot value of A plus string dot value of B. Now, can I store this into another string called C? String C is equal to value of A plus value of B. Value of B. That means when you add two strings, the result will be string only. When we add two strings, the result will be string only. Now let me print that C. System.out.println of C. What is the output now? The output should get 2022. Let's try this. Java C string demo dot Java. Java C string demo dot Java. Java space string demo. Am I able to get it? Yes. You understand what is the purpose of value of method? Value of method? Yes, yes, yes. But here, one thing that you need to are you getting any doubt from this code? Do you have any doubt? Look, Observe the code properly. Check it. Do you have any doubt? You should get one doubt. Character to convert कर सकते to char array. There is a method. String can be converted to character array. To char array method is available. That is not the point. Look at the code which is displaying on the screen. Can you find any difference somewhere? Any doubt? Kuch bhi. I'm checking. Is it ending with that or not? It is not ending. That's why the result will be false. Here it is ending with IT. That's why it is true. It is not ending with ITTT. It is not ending. That's why the result is false. It is correct. That is correct. There is no problem with that. Any other doubt that you are getting? String dot value of. When you use value of method, the result is one string. And this result is one string. String plus string. The result is a string only. That is not the problem. Our coach. Any other difference you see? थोड़ा दिमाग लगा के सोचो. Apply your common sense. Apply your common sense. हाँ? वो कम कंकैटनेट हो गया ना? वो कंकैटनेट हो गया. इधर 20 है, इधर 22 है. There is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong. You need to see all the lines. Observe the difference. Here, if you see, starts with the method I am calling by using variable name. Yes or no? So what is str? Str is a variable. Variable name dot method name. But can you see value of a method I am calling by using class starts with method I am calling by using variable. Where is that question, sir? Why are you calling one method with the variable? Why are you calling another method with the class? Str is a object, yes? Then can I access value of with the variable object? Why? Are you able to understand this? Here, str here starts with the method I am calling by using variable. Value of method I am calling by using class. Everyone is saying that, sir, we understood everything. Where is that a doubt? You should get that doubt, sir. Why one method you are calling with the class name, one method you are calling with the object name? Why are you using a class name to call the method? Why are you using object to call the method? Am I doing same operation? Am I calling the method in the same way? Am I calling the method in the same way? No. One method I am calling with the object, one method I am calling with the class. The reason is methods are divided into two types. One is called instance method, another one is called static method. One method is called as instance method, another method is called static method. Static methods will be called with the class name. Instance methods will be called with the object name. Are you guys getting my point? Now, in our program, main method is what kind of method? static method. Similarly, value of is also a static method. In the Java, methods are divided into two types, instance methods and static method. If the method is an instance method, that should be called by using object. If the method is a static method, that should be called by using class name. Can we check value of is really a static method? What is the source of truth? What is the source of truth? Documentation. Let's go to our Java documentation and verify. JSE API. Go to string class. String class available in which package? Java.lang package. In that lang package, go to classes, go to string, scroll down, check for the method, which is, what is the method I'm calling? Value of. Come down to uppercase. Is it a normal method? Is it a static method? Normal method. Normal method will be called by using object. Come to value of. What is this? Static. Static method will be called by using class name. Understand the difference? Now, there is a value of method available, which is a static method. Trim method, non-static method. Trim is a non-static method. Value of is a static method. Who is telling that? Is it my statement? Is it Java statement? Java statement. Java only telling that one method is a static method, one method is a non-static method. Now remember that point. Non-static methods should be called by using object. Static methods should be called by using class. Are you clear? Now look at my code. Here I'm calling starts with method, ends with method. How I am calling this method? str. What is the str? It is a variable which is holding string object. That means it is a static method or it is a non-static method? Non-static method. I am calling value of by using string dot value of. That means I am calling this method by using class name, so it is a static method. What is the difference between static method and non-static method? What is the difference between static method and non-static method? Static methods will be called by using class name. Non-static methods will be called by using object name. Let's look into the project now. Here I am calling one method, service. Can you tell me what is a service here? Can you check what service? Service is a variable that is belongs to this. It is a variable. It is a object. Object dot method. That means it is a static method or non-static method. It is a non-static method. Come down. Here, is it a object or is it a class now? Class. Class dot method. Why I am using this create as a class dot method? Because it is a static method. Understand the difference? Perfect. Yes. So with this we understood what is the purpose of value of method, how to call the static methods and how to call the non-static methods. Let me write that point here. Value of, note down. Value of is a static method. Value of is a static method in string class. In string class, static methods will be called using class name. Non-static methods will be called using object. You have to remember that point. Good. Fine. Our main method is a static method. Main method is a non-static method. Our main method is a static method. How can you say that main method is a static method? There is a static keyword is available. Who is calling the main method? Am I calling the main method? JVM. Main method is the entry point for JVM execution. I am compiling my program and I am trying to run my program. My program execution will begin from the main method. Main method is a static method. Main method will be called by JVM. That's why our program, our logic is running. That's why our logic is running. Now, perfect. So with this we understood what is value of, what is starts with, and what is ends with also. And we understood trim method. We understood trim method. And there is one more method called intent method is available. There is one more method called intent method. Here one more method is there. Replace all, replace first. What is the meaning of replace first? It is going to replace the first occurrence. Replace the first occurrence. All right. There will be one method called intent method is available. Hash code index of intent. Come on. What is the intent? Returns a canonical representation for the string object. So returns a canonical representation of the string object. Pool of strings internally empty, maintained privately by the class string. Right. When the intent method is invoked, if the pool already contains a string equal to this string object as determined by method, then string from the pool is returned. Otherwise, string object is added to pool and a reference to the string object is returned. Yeah. Can you understand what they are trying to say? Read it. Read it. Intent method is used to get string object from the SCP. Any object which is created in the SCP, if you want to access the object from the SCP, you need to go for intent. If that object is not available, it will create the object and it is going to give that object for you. See here. When the intent method is invoked, if the pool already contains a string equal to the string object as determined by the equals object method, then string from the pool is returned. Whenever you call intent method with a string object, with the same object content if already available, it will return that same object. If it is not available, it is going to create that and it is going to return that. For example, I am going to write like this. String S1 is equal to hi. Okay. Now I am going to do string S2 is equal to S1 dot intent. Now I'm going to write S1 double equals to S2. कैसे? हाँ? ऑनलाइन पीपल को चेक करेंगे वो लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं. ट्रू और फॉल्स? ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स ट्रू. व्हाई ट्रू? व्हाई ट्रू? व्हाई ट्रू guys? Can we check it? Can we check it? Yeah. Chalo. I'm going for string S1 is equal to hi. String S2 is equal to S1 dot intent. Now I am going to write system dot out dot println S1 double equals to S2. S1 double equals to S2. Let me comment all these things now. Okay. Everything is commented. Only this code is available now. Only this code is available. String S1 is equal to hi. S2 is equal to S1 dot intent. System.out.println S1 double equals to S2. All right. Java C space string demo dot Java, then Java space string demo. True. Why true? Whenever you call intent method with the S1, what is the content of S1? Hi. With the hi, first here, when I go for S1 is equal to hi, what will happen? Object will be created. Object will be created in the SCP memory, string constant pool memory. When I call S1.intent, it will return hi object reference. It will return I object. It will return hi object. Hi will be stored into S2 also. So the same object is there, different object is available, same object is available. When I compare the address S1 double equal to S2, both are belongs to same object. S1 and S2 pointing to same object. That's why it is going to return true. It is going to return true. For example, now I am going to create string S2 string S3 is equal to new string of hello. New string of hello. Now I am going to create string S4 is equal to S3 dot intent. S3 dot intent. Now system dot out dot println S3 double equals to S4. True or false? Are you sure? Can we check it? Java say string demo dot Java. Java say string demo. True, false. Why false? Here S3 is a variable pointing to what? S3 is pointing to what? Heap memory. S4 is pointing to what? S3 dot intent. Content may be same, but S3, S4 two different objects. S3 object, S4 objects created in the heap memory. Addresses are different, addresses are same, addresses are different. That's why we are getting false value. So what is the purpose of intent method? What is the purpose of intent method? Come on, Maya. What is the purpose of intent? Intent is used to get the object from the SCP. Intent is used to invoke the SCP object. SCP object we are going to access by using intent. Let me write this point. So here we are having intent method. What is the purpose of intent method? Intent is a static method. Intent is a non-static method. Intent is a static method or non-static method. In the API, you can understand. In the API, you can understand method is a static method or non-static method by looking at the method name. If the method is a static, they will give the static keyword. If a method is a non-static, they will not give that keyword. Static methods will have static keyword. Static methods should be called by using class name. Static methods should be called by using class name. Non-static methods will be called by using object name. Intent method. It is used to access the object from SCP. It is used to access the object from SCP. Are you clear? Same, right? Because it is pointing to the same object, right? Content is also same. Content wise same. Here I am creating with the literals, na? So the address is also same. In future, static means memory will be allocated at the time of class loading. Instance means memory will be allocated at the time of object creation. Oops concept. Yeah, in front there is a crocodile festival. Next week onwards, festival will start. What is that festival? Oops festival will start. Half of the people faces will go blank. क्या चल रहा भाई? If you are not strong in the basics, definitely you cannot understand the oops. You need to do lot of practice. Fundamentals are very important. Perfect. So with this we understood some methods available in the string class. There are so many methods available. Some of the methods we have seen. What is the purpose of them? Now, can we go for string buffer now? Yeah, before going to string buffer, I want to tell you one more method which is very important. What is that? ToString. What is the purpose of ToString? It is used to print. It is used to print object in string format. It is used to print object in the string format. To convert the object into string format, it is used to print. It is used to print or it is used to convert. It is used to convert object into string format. Any object we can convert into string format by using ToString method. In future, we are going to work with this ToString methods. It is used to convert the object into string format, ToString. Next, let's start with string buff. Guys, we have not understood the string completely. If you see here, string class is a final class. What is that final? String class is extending from object. String class is implementing serializable, comparable, char sequence. There are so many things are there which are block box for us, which are we are not able to understand string class completely. We understood just 40 to 50% of the string. So to understand remaining concepts of the string, we need to know future topics. Like here, final keyword is available, extend keyword is available. Extend means inheritance, that is a oops concept. Implements available, that means interface concept is available. Oops concepts, if you understand, then only you can understand the string class completely. So we are just trying to get some knowledge of the string, not complete knowledge on the string. Right. Now you realize how much important the oops concepts are. Without having the knowledge on the oops, kuch nahi kar sakte in the Java. Now we are having one more method called toChar array. There is a one more method called toChar array. There is a method. ToChar array method is available in the string class. Can we check that method? Yep. Come down, scroll it. ToChar array. ToChar array. Go to two. What is this? Converts this string into a new character array. What is the return type? So if I convert the string into array, I'm going to get the char array. Is it a static method or non-static method? Non-static method. How to call this non-static method? By using object. Perfect. Chalo, let's make a program on this. Yes, string s1 is equal to some Java. String s1 is equal to Java. S1 dot toChar array. Right. What is the output? When I call that method, what is the output I'm getting? Char character array. What I'm getting? Character array. Okay. With this, let me try to print the array. Do you know how to print the array now? For loop is available, for each loop is available, and arrays.toString is also available. Let me go for system dot out dot println arrays dot toString of array. Arrays dot toString of array. Okay, let me compile Java C string demo dot Java space string demo. Is it converted to array? Yes. Can I convert the string to array? Can I convert the string to array? How to convert the string to array? By using to-char array. By using to-char array. Perfect. Yes. So next, let me get into the description part. To-char array. This method is used to convert the string to character array. Sir, why to convert? Why to convert the string to character array? Future में पता चलेगा. Yeah, this method is used to convert string to char array. Okay. Yes. Syntax कब आएगा future? After core Java. In the advanced Java, you will get to know all these things. Okay. Yeah. Shall we get started with string buffer now? Shall we get started with the string buffer? Yes. What is the string buffer? What is the purpose of string buffer? It is a predefined class. It is a predefined class available in java.lang package. It is a predefined class available in java.lang package. It is used to store group of characters. Sir, already string is available now. Then why to go for string buffer? String buffer is mutable. That means you can alter, you can modify the content. String buffer is a predefined class available in java.lang package. It is used to store group of characters. So string buffer is mutable. String buffer is mutable object. What is the meaning of that? Can modify the content. We can modify the content. We can modify the content. We can modify the content. And one more benefit is there. What is that? String buffer is thread safe. What is the meaning of thread safe? Only one thread can access at a time. Only one thread can access at a time. String buffer is a mutable object. We can modify the content. And the next one, string buffer is thread safe. That means only one thread can access at a time. Sir, what is a thread? Oh, multi-threading पे पता चलता. Right. Future. What is a thread? Thread means we are going to learn in the multi-threading concept. All right. String buffer. That means so many concepts are interlinked with the other concepts. So core Java is a never-ending process. Understand? Nobody knows everything in the core Java. Core Java is a never-ending process. After you got 5 years experience also, still there are new things in the core Java which we have to learn. Okay, continuously if I teach for next 1 year also, core Java will not be completed because it is a language. Okay, in that language we are using some topics which are required for our project development. Am I going to teach you complete core Java? I also don't know. Understand my point? I also don't know everything available in the core Java. Simple. If you go to Java packages, here java.applet, java.awt. In my 9 years of experience, I never worked with those packages which are used to develop desktop applications. Nowadays in the market, Java is not using for desktop. Java is using for web. When I am working with web, why I will use applet? I don't use it. So I don't know that. Understand my point? And when it comes to here, there are some packages are available. Java x.jws, Java x.jws.soap, Santur mummy, Santur daddy. Do you know that? Detal. What is that soap? Soap is a web service. Soap is a web service. But currently that soap is outdated. RESTful services are famous in the market. So we are not going to work with that package. Come down. There are some swings are available. We don't need them. We are not developing that. Okay. Next, Corba, outdated. Corba, it is outdated. Okay. So there are so many things are there in the Java which we are not going to use in the present trend. Okay. So core Java is a never ending process. Even if you learn for 1 year also, still some topics will be left in the core Java. In the Amirpet or anywhere, nobody will teach you complete core Java. Only some topics you are going to learn from the core Java which are required to develop the project. That's it. I think I can't count them. We are working with multiple packages. So if I consider beans, we are using, I think we will be using 10 to 20 packages from there. Java.io, Java.util, Java.lang, Java.streams are there, concurrent packages are available, and Neo packages are available, security packages are available. Sorry? Those are different. Those are not from the core Java. They are different frame. They are framework level packages. Okay. Here Java.SQL package is available. Java.SQL. Yes. Java x.SQL is available. That is used in the JDBC. We are going to learn that in the advanced Java. Okay. Swings to koi use nahi kar raha hai. Applet, AWT swings, they are completely outdated. RMI also we are not going to use. There are so many packages which we are not going to use in the current development because advanced concepts came into the market. When they developed these packages? 1991. Now 2022. 20 साल का gap है. 20 years. Delete, let this API, I'm referring Java 8 na. If you go for Java latest API, some of the packages may not be available, right? Yes. So string buffer is a predefined class available in java.lang package. It is used to store group of characters. String buffer is a mutable object. We can modify the content. String buffer is thread safe. Only one thread can access at a time. How to create the string buffer object? String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer. I can create it as hello. I can create it as hello. Okay. Let me create one program on the string buffer. Yes, we'll come to that. If you think here, what is this? What is this? String. String literal, na? Yes, where it will store? SCP. SCP. Got it? This is a string literal. It will be stored in the SCP. This is a string buffer SB, where it will store heap memory. It will store in the heap memory. Wherever you see string literal, that means it is going to store in the SCP. All right. I'm creating a class SB demo. What is SB demo? String buffer demo. Okay. Let's write a main method that is public static void main. Guys, from next week, I will use IDE. Why? Public static void main. If I directly use IDE, na, you will not understand these basics. Yeah. Public static void main string arg. I'm feeling very difficulty to write the code in the notepad. Public static void main string arguments. Okay, let me go for string buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of hello. New string buffer of hello. Let me go for system dot out dot println of SB. Okay, I'm printing SB demo. SB demo dot Java. Perfect. Let's compile this project Java C string demo dot Java. Java space string demo. यार आज मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा यार. Because today morning I came out from home at 9 o'clock. I was roaming on the roads, so दिमाग खराब हो गया. Yeah. Java C SB demo dot Java. Java space SB demo. Are we able to get the output? Yes, we are getting the output as hello, right? So string buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of hello. System dot out dot println of SB. We are able to get the output. Now, what is this SB? SB is a variable. Now, let us see here. SB dot append. Append. I am giving some hi. What I am trying to do? What I am trying to do? What I am trying to do? I am trying to modify the content. Can I modify or I cannot modify? Can I modify or I cannot modify? Yes or no? Stand up. Can I modify or I cannot modify? Keep silent. No. Why? Your body is present, mind is absent. क्या सोच रहे? Girlfriend reply नहीं दे रहा क्या? What are you thinking? Your body present, mind absent. क्या सोच रहा भाई? दिमाग किधर लगा के सुनो. It's very important, right? So here SB. What is SB? SB is a variable which is holding string buffer object. SB is a variable which is referring to string buffer. String buffer objects are mutable or immutable. Immutable. Mutable. That means the content can be modified. Yeah, what is the method I am using? Append. SB dot append. Content can be modified. Can you check this? Yes. Java C SB demo dot Java. Java space SB demo. Am I able to modify the content? Yes or no? Suppose, for example, I'm going like this. String S1 is equal to Ashok and S1 dot concat of IT. S1 dot concat of IT. And I'm going to write system dot out dot println of S1. Tell me. Ashok IT आएगा ना Ashok आएगा? Ashok IT. Ashok, and why? That is a string object. It cannot be modified. Whereas the string buffer is a mutable object. Content can be modified. See the proof now. See the proof now. Java C space SB demo dot Java. Then Java space SB demo. See, in the first one, content we are able to modify. In the second one, content we are not able to modify. The difference, string is immutable object, string buffer is mutable object. Immutable and mutable. Are you guys clear with my point? Yes. Now, there are some methods available in the string buffer. New string create हो जाता है, right? Now let us go to java.lang package. Let us go to java.lang package and let's find that string buffer class. Let's find that string buffer class. Yes. Now string buffer. Read it. String buffer can be modified. Class is final means we cannot extend the properties. Inheritance is not supported. That is the meaning of final. Final we can use at the variable, we can use at the method, we can use at the class. If you use final at the variable, you can't modify the value of the variable. When you use at the method, you cannot override that. When you use at the class, you can't extend that. Picture baki hai. Right. Are you able to understand this? Yep. Read it. A thread safe, mutable sequence of characters. A string buffer is like a string. It is also similar to string, but it can be modified. At any point in time, it contains some particular sequence of characters, but the length and content of the sequence can be changed through certain method calls. By using some methods, you can modify the content of the string buffer. It is a thread safe. What is the meaning of thread safe? At a time, one thread can access. This is also introduced in first version of JDK. What is JDK? Java Development Kit. Come down. What is this method? Append. Append. What is the meaning of append? Appends the string representation. That means one string can be appended to another string by using this append method. In the string buffer, we have append method. In the string class, we have append method or we have concat method. Concat. In the string class, we are having concat method. In the string buffer, we are having append method. All right. Scroll down. Oh my God. One append method available. So many append methods are available. So many append methods are available. But method parameters are different. Here append method taking a boolean. Here append method taking character. Here it is taking character array. Here it is taking a double. Here float. Here int. Here long. Here object. Here string. That means those are overloaded methods. Those are overloaded methods. What is overloading? What is overriding? We will discuss in the polymorphism. That is a OOPS principle. Future. Right. Append method we understood. Can you read it? Caret. What is the meaning of that? Returns the char value in the sequence at the specified index. Code point, Unicode character it is going to return. Code point before, code point after. There is a new method, delete. What is the meaning of delete? I have a string, 4th to 5th characters I want to delete in that string. Then we can go for a delete method. I want to delete a particular character. Delete char at, ensure capacity, get chars, begin end, index of. What is index of? What is the purpose of index of? Get the first occurrence of the given string from the main string. Index of. Insert. What is the meaning of insert? If you want to insert some characters in the middle, then you are going to do that. Insert is also overloaded method. Last index of. What is the meaning of last index of? It is going to get the last occurrence of the given string. Then what is this? Length method. What is the purpose of length method? To get the length of the string. That means character count. Okay, there is one method. Replace. What is this method? This is used to reverse. We struggled a lot to reverse one array. Now here, direct method available. Can we try this? Yes. Now here, I'm going to take one string buffer. I'm going to take one string buffer. String sorry, string s is string buffer, sorry, string buffer sb1 is equal to new string buffer of Java. Okay. Now I am going to do system dot out dot println of sb1 dot reverse. sb1 dot reverse. Let's try this. Java C sb demo dot Java space sb demo. Can you see here Java is reversed? Avas. Right. So this is, we are able to reverse it. We are able to reverse it. Perfect. SB1 dot reverse. There is a reverse method. Subsequence method. What is this method? I can pass only start index. From start index, it will give me the end index. What is this substring? Start index and end index. What is this? ToString. What is the meaning of toString? What is the meaning of toString? To convert this string buffer object into string object. Convert the string buffer object into string object. For that we have a toString method. So here there are some common methods available in the string class as well as in the string buffer class. What are the methods we have seen here? What are the methods we have seen? We have seen append method and reverse method. We are having append method and reverse method, length method available, and we are having what is that? Caret method is available, substring method is available. Like that, there are some common methods available. String buffer and string both are same, but only one difference, that is mutable and it is immutable. Okay. Next one, let us go for another class. Another class. What is that another class available? That is a string builder. What is the string builder? What is the purpose of string builder? String builder is also used to store group of characters. String available, string buffer available, then why to go for string builder? It is mutable plus not thread safe. It is mutable plus not thread safe. Go to API, check that. String builder. Okay, builder. Yeah. So here class string builder. String builder is also final class. Can you read it? Read the documentation. Okay. You understand what is the difference between string builder? Okay. Can you see this? String buffer available from 1.0. String builder added in 1.5 version of Java. Okay. Can we see some methods here? What is this? Append method. We know what is append now. And we know caret. And we know delete, and we know delete caret, and we know get chars, we know index of, we know insert, last index of, and length method, replace method, reverse method, substring method, toString method, substring method. Like this, we are having some methods here. Let me write it. String builder. String builder is used to store group of characters. String builder is a predefined class available in java.lang package. This class introduced in which version? This class introduced in 1.5 version. This class, this string buffer is mutable or immutable? String buffer objects are mutable. String buffer builder, sorry, builder. String builder objects are mutable. What is the meaning of mutable? Content can be modified. Content can be modified. Next here, thread safe or not thread safe? String builder objects are not thread safe. What is the meaning? Multiple threads can access at a time. Performance wise, buffer is good, builder is good. Why? Multiple people can access at a time. If it is a buffer, one by one, come in the queue, one after other only can access. Performance wise, buffer is slow, builder is fast. And thread safety, if you want, buffer is better. When you are dealing with thread safety, multi-threading implementation, then you should go for buffer. If you are not using multi-threading, then you should go for builder. Okay. String builder is a predefined class available in java.lang package. This class introduced in JDK 1.5 version. String builder objects are mutable. Content can be modified. String builder objects are not thread safe. Multiple threads can access at a time. Sir, how to create the builder object? String builder SB is equal to new string builder. Here we are going to pass the string objects. Now, can I get SB dot length also? Yes or no? SB dot length I can get. Can I go for SB dot append of some value? Yes or no? Can I modify this or I cannot modify this? I can modify this because builder is a mutable object. Try that. Go for builder demo, class builder demo, So here we are going to write public static void main string array of args. Next we are going to write, come on, string builder SB is equal to new string builder. I'm trying to create a builder object. Perfect. Next one, SB dot append of program. System dot out dot println of SB. So it is builder demo dot java. Perfect. Java C builder demo dot java, then java space builder demo. Is it modified? Yes, it is modified. That means it is mutable. Content can be modified. Perfect. Approach means methods are same. Oh, you are asking, can I create the string buffer and builder with the literal approach? Okay. No, you are saying like this, na? Right? Yeah, try this. Not here. Here. Yeah. Builder SB is equal to Java. How I am trying to create the builder object? By using literal approach. What is your guess? हो जाएगा, हो गया. When I give literal, what compiler will think? When I give literal like this, what compiler will think? It is a string object. But here, what object available? String builder available. String object I am trying to store into string builder. Compiler not accepting. Types are not matching. Data type issue. Our data is a string, but I am trying to store into string builder. It is not accepted. If you want to create that, you need to go for only new approach. New approach, that is string builder. Okay. This is only valid. If you directly try to create by using literal, it is not accepting that. Fine. Huh. Definitely. Now let me do one thing. Here I'm going to print system.out.println sb.length. Okay. Here I am going to print length only. Right? Will increase or will not increase? Will increase or will not increase? Java C builder demo. Java C builder demo. Java space builder demo. Increased or not? So we are modifying the content. That means it is increasing. The length also going to increase. This is the proof to say that it is mutable. This is the proof to say that it is mutable. We are able to modify the content. All right. Yeah. In the interview, they will ask you a question. What is the difference between string buffer and string builder? What is the difference? What is the difference, guys? String is immutable. String buffer mutable plus thread safe. Then string builder. It is a mutable plus not thread safe. Not thread safe. And introduced in JDK 1.5. This is introduced in JDK 1.0. This also introduced in JDK 1.0. What is one common thing? They all are belongs to java.lang package. These all are the three predefined classes which are available in the java.lang package. When I am using these classes, do I need to import the lang package? Do I need to import the lang package or not required? Not required. Why? Because this lang package is a default package. Apart from the lang, any other package class if you want to use, then you have to import. Clear? Lang package is the default package. In the interview, they will ask one question. What is the difference between header files and imports? In the C language, we will go for header files. In the Java, we will go for import. That is also one interview question. What is the difference? We don't know about C. Yeah, very good. The difference is, to be frank, I also don't know C language. I never attended C classes. I never learned the C language. In my mind, there is no confusion. I know only Java. Okay, right. But I know the difference. The difference is when we go for header files, the header files code will be copied into your object code. But when you go for the import, whatever the packages we are importing, that code will not copied into our bytecode. It will just use and throw. Whatever the class we are using as the import, that class will be used in the compile time and in the runtime. That complete predefined code will not be copied into our bytecode. But when you go for header files, whatever the header files code is available, that complete code will be copied into our object code. It will make your program big. But in the Java, that is not there. That is the difference between header files and import statements. Right. Object code, intermediate code, whenever you see program, you will compile, that file will generate, right? In that file, header files code will be copied. But in the Java, in the bytecode, import statements code will not be copied. So Java programs are lightweight. All right, guys. With this, we are done with string, string buffer, and string builder. Our दो छोटा topics है. They are command line arguments concept is available and typecasting is also available. Command line arguments and typecasting that we need to discuss. Can we discuss that tomorrow? Sunday, tomorrow workshop is there for resume evening. Can we take that for Monday? Tomorrow is fine. So tomorrow, can I take online session? Only online. अरे tomorrow Sunday staff भी नहीं आता भाई. Monday is better. Then. So if you want only offline, then we'll take that session on Monday. I will do one thing. That topic is very small topic. Monday I can complete that topic within half an hour. Then next 1.5 hours, you people need to write the exam on the programs. Because chapter 3 is completing now. You have to write the exams, right? So you need to write practice. Now the next exam is not a theoretical exam. It's completely programming. Logical programs will be available. That exam I am going to conduct on Monday. All right, topic leak karu kya? Not Monday, sir. From Wednesday that we are going to start. From Wednesday we'll start because that I need to arrange that faculty, right? I need to call him. Yes. So I will inform that. I will give you the update on that. Definitely offline will be there for that. Okay. So tomorrow morning at 9:30, resume preparation workshop will be available. Crowd will be huge for resume workshop. Join little early because we have capacity limit in the Zoom. So join little early. Okay. Fine. 9:30, the resume workshop is going to start. After resume workshop will take 2 to 2.5 hours of time because I will explain multiple formats of the resume for freshers, for experience, how to cover the gap also to attend the experience interviews. I will give that and I will show you how to apply for the jobs also in the Naukri all stuff. It will take 2 to 2.5 hours of time for resume. Then afternoon, you need to practice all the topics that we have discussed as of now. Monday, we will meet. Monday we have a exam, so can we start Monday at 5 o'clock because the time is not sufficient to 1.5 hours is not sufficient to write the exam. Monday exam is going to start right 5 o'clock. 5 to 6 I will explain the topic command line arguments and typecasting. 6 to 8 exam will be there on Monday. All right, guys. Once this exam is completed, I will explain how to work with IDEs. I'm fed up with this notepad and all now. We are going to use IDE. I will tell you how to use the IDE. Once IDE is completed, enter the dragon. Now we are going to start the OOPS concepts. All right. Yes, this is just for introduction now. At the end of our session, at the end of our course, one more workshop will be available. Okay, this is not the final. Tomorrow you are going to attend. Once again, every 2 months we are going to conduct the workshop for resume preparation. You can attend that. And online people, I'm very sorry guys. Today at 4 o'clock, I was not able to take the doubt session. Today at 10 o'clock, we have the doubts clarification session for online people. At 10 o'clock, you can join with the same Zoom link. Definitely, I will join at 10 o'clock for the doubt session. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, guys. 10 o'clock, we have the doubt session. Yes. Thank you, guys. Okay. Tomorrow morning, resume session is there. Yes. Today evening 10 o'clock doubt session for online people. Today night 10 o'clock doubt session for online people. Tomorrow morning 9:30 a.m. resume preparation workshop, that is online workshop. Okay guys. Chalo, thank you. Yes, tomorrow I will explain how to manage the fake experience also. Please attend the tomorrow session. Both important concept है वो.